Are you struggling to get a Band 7 or higher in IELTS Writing Task 1? In this video, I'll show you a Band 9 sample answer for a bar chart about house prices in 5 different cities and, more importantly, I'll teach you how to write it step by step. By the end of this video, you'll understand how to write a perfect introduction, how to create a strong overview, and how to describe data like a Band 9 student. So let's get started. Let's look at how to structure this Band 9 answer. First, we start with the introduction. In IELTS Task 1, you should paraphrase the question, for example. The bar chart compares the percentage change in average house prices in 5 cities over two different periods, relative to 1989. Simple, clear, and no extra details. Next comes the most important part, the overview. This is where many students lose marks. A Band 9 overview clearly highlights the main trends, not numbers. Here, the key points are: most cities saw a decline in prices from 1990 to 1995. Then prices increased from 1996 to 2002. London had the biggest growth. Tokyo stayed below 1989 levels, and Frankfurt slightly declined later. Now, let's move to the body paragraphs. In body paragraph 1, we describe the first period 1990 to 1995. We mentioned that most cities experienced a fall. Tokyo had the biggest drop, while Madrid and Frankfurt showed small increases. Always compare cities. Don't describe one by one. In body paragraph 2, we explain the second period 1996 to 2002. Here, the trend reversed. London rose dramatically. New York and Madrid also increased. But Tokyo still remained negative. Frankfurt showed a slight decrease. Finally, we can add a closing comparison, like mentioning London had the biggest overall change. So remember this structure: introduction, overview, body paragraph 1, body paragraph 2. Follow this, and you're already on your way to a Band 9.